Repairs are needed at a business in Northumberland County after storms and strong winds blew the roof off the place. Newswatch 16's Mackenzie Ocker stopped by Kingdom Kidz to check it out.
For Donna Bridge, the general manager at Kingdom Kidz in Watsontown, yesterday was a normal Tuesday as she worked in her office.
And the doors in the huge fellowship hall began clanging back and forth, like opening and shutting. And I thought, well, they sounded louder than normal. So I walked out into the fellowship hall and the tablecloths were blowing off the table.
Bridge noticed it was raining and a bit windy, but she went back into her office to do some work. Then she received a call from a neighbor.
And he said, Miss Donna, I think the roof just blew off the building. And I said, you're kidding me. He says, no. So I went to the kitchen, I looked out, and I saw that.
Bridge tells Newswatch 16 she was glad there were no cars in the street or no one was in the yard when the roof ripped off the building at the time. She's also grateful that it landed right here in the yard rather than striking the neighbor's house.
I was numb, but today as I look at it and I think about it, God just really protected me because it could have been a lot worse. So we're waiting for the adjuster. We'll see what happens.
A tarp now covers the hole in the roof. Bridge says the roof was replaced in 2015 before she bought the building from Watsontown United Methodist Church. Even with the damage, Bridge says she's in good spirits thanks to support from the community.
This person said to me who was cleaning, don't worry, Miss Donna. We live in this community. We're going to help you. So I don't know what the plans are at this point, but for them to say that, it's encouraging and reassuring. And Facebook comments have been out the kazoo.
Bridge says Kingdom Kidz will be closed until the roof is fixed. She hopes to be back open sometime next month. Mackenzie Ocker, Newswatch 16, Northumberland County.